So welcome student in a Gautam classes. So today I am going to discuss about inductive effect. So look in that. First of all, we should know about what is the inductive effect. So I am going to write a definition here. Inductive effect, and what is the other name for that? This is also we are saying that transmission effect. What is that? Transmission effect. Transmission effect. Actually, inductive effect arises within the molecule. This is due to the polarity of the sigma bond. What is that? It is arises within a molecule due to the polarization of polarization of sigma bond. Polarization of sigma bond. So that sigma bond is existing between carbon and other atom. Suppose that I am going to take example here CX bond, and there are other carbon atom is also attached by that. So here I am going to consider electronegativity of X atom is greater than the C. So what will happen? Those are the shared pair electron between carbon and X atom that will shifted more towards the halogen towards the X atom. So it will attain the partial negative charge and that will attain the partial positive charge. And this thing is spreading up to 4 carbon atom. How many carbon atom? Up to 4 carbon atom this thing is going on, and gradually its magnitude is decreasing as we are moving away from the main key atom. What is happening as we are moving away from the key atom? That means we can say that inductive effect is a distance dependent effect. What is that? Inductive effect is the distance dependent effect. And you know that as distance is increasing from the key atom, its magnitude is decreasing. So what is the magnitude of I effect? Magnitude of I effect, that is inversely proportional from what? Distance from the key atom. Distance from the key atom. That means suppose that here we want to find out which one having which carbon atom having the more magnitude of I effect. Definitely first carbon atom experiencing more I effect, and those are the fourth carbon atom it is experiencing least I effect. And now we are if suppose that we are going to think about our I effect is the permanent effect or temporary effect. So I effect is permanent effect. What is that? I effect is permanent effect. This is the permanent effect. Permanent effect. So actually I effect further we are going to divide into two way. What is that? Inductive effect can arise within the molecule by the two type of atom. What is that? One is by the electron donating group and second one by the electron withdrawing group. So minus I effect, and it is also called as a negative I effect, and plus I effect. So minus I effect is arising within the molecule due to what? Due to the electron withdrawing group. What is that? Here I am going to write the definition. It is arises within the molecule due to the electron withdrawing group, due to the electron withdrawing group. For example, if we are taking the example of this cs3 ch2 ch2 and cl, look here, chlorine atom having tendency to withdraw the electron density. Why? Because of electronegativity of the chlorine atom is greater than the carbon, greater than the carbon. So definitely it is having tendency to withdraw the electron density, withdraw the electron density. That means share pair electron more shifted towards the chlorine side. So chlorine will attain the partial negative charge and carbon will attain the partial positive charge. And this thing is spreading up to what? Whatever carbon is given here, 3 carbon is given, so it is going to spread up to 4 carbon atom. But there is one order in that minus I effect group, because of you know that it is depend on the distance as well as depend on the molecule also. So I'm going to write one order. So this order whatever I'm going to write, that all thing you have to keep in your mind. So minus I effect order is that, so highest for the OR2 plus, then after that NR3 plus, then NH3 plus, NO2, SO3H, CN, carboxylic group, X, OH, OR, amine group, and here those are our phenyl group, that means benzene, and at the end hydrogen is coming. So look, like I keep this thing in my mind, you can also keep this thing in your mind. Then whatever type of question is coming based on the inductive effect, all you can solve easily. And really it's a very important on the point of view of the JEE main exam as well as our NEET exam. Second thing is coming plus I effect. You know that when plus I effect is arising, actually plus I effect is arising within the molecule due to the electron donating group. What is due to the electron donating group? It is arising within the molecule due to the electron donating group, due to the electron donating group. Look here, when we are talking about that methyl, so there are how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen atom is present. There is, you know that electronegativity of the carbon is greater than the hydrogen. So those are the shared pair electron, they are going to shift more towards the carbon side. So definitely those are the carbon atom, here electron density is more. In that carbon atom electron density is more, it is going to gather the electron density around that carbon atom. So definitely what will happen, this carbon atom now having tendency to donate the electron density. That means whatever alkyl group, they all are going to behave as a plus I group. What is that? All the alkyl group is going to behave as the plus I group. Now I am going to write here. There are so many confusion is coming in student mind. Other than alkyl group, which one is the plus I group? So beta here, if anywhere thing is given that like this, and other one, this one. So they both are the plus I group also. What about the magnitude of this plus I group? So magnitude of plus I group, this one having the higher, then after that this one, after that thing is coming with the tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon. What about second one? Secondary. Then primary. Then after that, at the end it is coming methyl and least deuterium. Then after that, hydrogen. That is actually D, deuterium. So that is the plus I effect order. So this also you have to keep in your mind. You know why its a magnitude is the highest? Because of there are three methyl group, and you know that methyl group is also going to having the electron density. So this electron density is going to shift towards this carbon atom. So here electron density cloud will be the more dense and strong. So it is having the more and more tendency to donate the electron. That is why it is going to act as a stronger plus I effect. What about here? Look here, lone pair is present as well as negative charge is present. That is why it is having higher tendency to donate the electron. Here lone pair is present and negative charge is present. So this lone pair is going to participate in the conjugation, but no, sorry, that negative charge having tendency to participate in the conjugation, but this electron is free. This lone pair electron is free, so it can having tendency to donate. Those are the electron deficient center. That is why it is also acting as the plus I effect. Now, next point we are going to study about actually what is the application of the plus I effect. Application. Application of plus I effect. So first one, stability of the carbocation. What is that? Stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation, it is directly related from what? Stability of carbocation directly proportional to number of positive charge. No, positive I effect. Number of positive I effect, and inversely proportional to the magnitude of what? Magnitude of charge. Magnitude of positive charge on the what? Carbocation. And which group is going to increase the magnitude of positive charge? Definitely, that is the minus I group. That means minus I group is inversely proportional to the stability of carbocation. So if this thing is clear in your mind, so whatever type of question will come based on that, easily you can solve. So based on that, I am giving one question. Look, suppose that thing is given here, CH3, CH2, and here CH2 plus. This is the first. Second one, CH3, and here CH3 and CH2 plus. Third one in that place is given CH3, CH, CH2 plus, and here we can write Cl. And the question is that arrange them in decreasing order of their stability. What is arrange them in decreasing order of their stability? We are going to arrange. So there is one alkyl group is attached. That one is the plus I group. Okay. Here is also same thing is attached, but there is one methyl group is those are present very near from the carbocation. So you know that if methyl group is present near to the carbocation, so definitely it is having more tendency to donate the electron. If it is having more tendency to donate the electron, magnitude of positive charge will decrease. So stability will increase. This is the minus I group. It is having tendency to withdraw the electron density. So definitely magnitude of positive charge is going to increase. So stability order will be here. Second one having maximum. then after that first one, at the end it will come third. So beta, if suppose that conjugation is present as well as inductive effect is present, so definitely conjugation is going to dominate over the inductive effect. So make one note and you can copy that. Conjugation dominated over I effect. So based on that, I will also give one question. So if first option is given here, CH3, CH double bond, CH and here CH2 plus. Second thing is given CH3, CH2, CH2 plus. Third thing is given here CH3, CH2, CH plus, and here CH2 plus, and if one hydrogen only I am writing, so here we can write the CH3, and fourth one we can write here any other thing like CH3, here C double bond CH and CH2 plus, and this I can write here CH3. So look, now here thing is that conjugation is going to dominate over the inductive effect. So first and fourth, they both are having the conjugation with the positive charge. How conjugation structure we are going to show? Electron density will move on that side. We can write here CH3, CH positive charge, and here CH double bond CH2, like that. What about in that case? This electron density will move on this side. We can write here CH3C, CH3, and here will be the positive charge and CH double bond CH2 in that case. So they both are having the conjugation. But thing is matter here, conjugation, but one more thing is here, there is extra methyl group is present, those are the plus I group. So definitely it is going to donate the electron density. So highest stability here is for the fourth one. Then after that, first one. Now we are going to compare between this one. So that is the 2-degree carbocation and this one is the 1-degree carbocation. You know that 2-degree carbocation is more stable as compared to the 1-degree carbocation. So what about here? Third one, then after that, first. That is the stability order. Now next point is coming here, stability of carbon ion. What is that? Stability of carbon ion. Stability of carbon ion. So stability of carbon ion is inversely proportional from the magnitude of negative charge. Stability of carbon ion inversely proportional to magnitude of negative charge. So beta, actually what do we mean by the negative charge? If negative charge is present on any atom, that means electron density is present. So if any group is directly attached from the carbon ion, those are having tendency to withdraw the electron density. So definitely they are going to decrease the magnitude of negative charge. So number of minus I group, number of minus I group will increase the stability of carbon ion, but number of plus I group will increase. Number of plus I group will will decrease the stability of carbon ion. So here I am giving one question. So first one is given here CH3, CH2 minus. Second one CH2, and here I am writing the fluorine. Third one, here CH3, CH minus and it is attached from the chlorine. Fourth one, CH3, CH minus and it is attached from the fluorine. Look here, if we are going to write the magnitude of minus I effect, so fluorine having the higher magnitude of minus I effect than the chlorine. So definitely fluorine having the more tendency to withdraw the electron density. So this one having highest tendency to withdraw the electron density. So definitely here magnitude of negative charge will be least. So stability of fourth one will be highest. Then after that, which one is coming? And also those are the inductive effect, that is the distance dependent effect. So here fluorine atom present at the second carbon atom, but here chlorine atom present at the same carbon atom where negative charge is present. So it is withdrawing the more electron density. So magnitude of negative charge will be less here. So what we can write here? Third one. Then after that, which one? Second. At the end, first will come. Why? Because of that one is the plus I group. It is having tendency to donate the electron density. So magnitude of negative charge will increase. So stability will decrease. So that is the stability order of carbon ion. So hope student that inductive effect portion is useful for you. Thank you.